You are ready to start creating your video player. Now that you know what the requirements are and you have your project plan in place, you can go ahead and launch Android Studio and start coding. When you launch Android Studio, on the first screen, click on the New Project button located in the top right corner of the screen. A window will pop up where you can select a template from a wide range of project templates. Because you are creating a mobile app, you should select the Phone and Tablet Templates tab. Select the Basic Activity template. This will allow you to create a base code for your app that includes commonly used user interface components. Now, create a new basic activity by providing a project name. Let's call it video_player. Every Android app has an application ID. This ID uniquely identifies your app on the device and in the Google Play Store. Once you publish your app, you should never change the application ID. If you want to upload a new version of your app, the application ID needs to be the same as what it was when originally published. If you attempt to make changes to the application ID, the Google Play Store sees the deployment as a completely different app. So, let's create a unique package name and call it com.example.video_player. Select Kotlin from the Language drop-down menu. For this project, you're using Kotlin throughout. Next is Minimum Software Development Kit, or SDK. This is the minimum version of the Android operating system required to run your video player application. Let's select API Level 23, which is equivalent to Android 6.0. Finally, click on the Finish button. And now you have a new video player project made using the Basic Activity template. You now have a basic main activity class which will be used to display the user interface of your video player to the user. Apart from the main activity class, there are other files and folders that are generated alongside it. You have already learned about them in previous videos, so you're ready to move on to the next step, where you will learn more about Android's Video View, a component that allows you to simply display a video file.